Hello everybody. You thought that you would never see my sexy base ever again because of a lot of junk in the trunk. Well, you know what? I'm here. My nose is still unorganized as ever. You know, today I'm going to do a question that scientists ponder. What happens if we put a fork in the microwave? Now see, there's a lot of clickbaity videos about what happens. And, you know, I'm going to go answer that question right now. Right after we see what that barking is all about. What'd you see? So there's my dog again. There's my doggo. She's a cutie, isn't she? This camera is really odd. I have to use my iPad because I don't have a real camera. And my phone is an asshole to me. Okay. So let's go. You can hear she's barking again. See there? There's the answer of what happens if you put a fork in the microwave. Nothing happens. You can hear my cute dog too. You know, so double feature. You get a cute animal and an answer to a question. Did you see? Say bye. And she said bye. Goodbye, my users. Don't worry, I will still post videos with my face on it. Don't you sit there and worry. This is why I keep doing junk in the trunk.